we start the name of God. After that, may peace and prayers be upon all centuries and centuries and prophets, right? Still, we are in the midst of our Somali learning program. We haven't the we haven't still finished um, the pronunciation course, right? So today we're gonna take sha and sha and vowels. You see, S and H here stand as one letter only in the Somali alphabet, right? We call it Sha. You have this Sha in English, I think. So, a short vowel or long vowel I come after this letter when it comes to Somali word. So you you might probably see sha, she, sho, shu. We have placed a long vowel after the sha. We have said it is sha, she, sho, shu. If you put short vowels after the S and H, that is sha. All of them is sha. Okay. It's sha, she, sho, shu. It's not sha. It's not she. It's not she. It's not sha'o. It's not sha'u. It's sha, she, sho, and shu. I hope you to understand it. Okay. So let's place the short and long ones before the H and H is sha. Okay. It is ash, ish, ish, osh, and ush. Ash, ish, ish, osh, and ush. Placing. Hello, Oba. Placing. Smite me. Placing short or long vowels before consonantes means loud. I shall explain it later. Later, I shall explain after the end of this chapter. I shall explain it. Okay. Habib. So I think some of you can easily already understand how to make this letter. It's not different than how you make the English one, like she, like she. You know how to make this sound. I think you English, you English speakers can actually find this pronunciation of sha. Examples the examples include uh, sh- shano, shano, shati, sheko, shir, shukansi. You see, so there we shall stop the sha lesson. Today I will try to post all remaining letters and vowels, so we will finish this chapter as soon as possible. So if you interest and if you are serious about learning the Somali language, I will provide you many useful chapters. Okay, so please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get future videos in real time. Thanks for watching and goodbye.